Guys, welcome to our channel. If you want to update Samsung A series devices software, then this video is for you. Currently I'm using Samsung Galaxy A50 and the process is pretty similar for all the devices on A series. So you just need to go to settings. Now from here you just need to scroll all the way down until you find this software update. Tap on it and from here you'll find this download and install option. It will just simply find the check for updates and it will find the updates for you. If there's any update available, then here we can download that update for your software and you can simply install it on your device. So that's how you can just update your Samsung Galaxy S series devices softwares easily. So you can just auto download over Wi-Fi. If you want to turn on it, then it will auto download the update that available and suitable for your device whenever your phone is not using for a long time. Then it will use the Wi-Fi connection and it will download and install the update of your software on your device. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching. Till next time.